In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Japanese display name on Roblox. To get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to open roblox.com on your browser and sign in into your Roblox account. After that, go ahead and click on the top right corner of your screen represented by the gear icon. And under this, you'll be able to find the settings button. So just go ahead and click on settings and that will take you to the settings page. In here, go ahead and head over to account info and make sure that your birthday is of legal age and your account location allows the use of Japanese display name. In here, go ahead and head over to google.com and search for English to Japanese translator. Now in this English section, go ahead and enter the text that you want to translate into Japanese. Under the Japanese section, you'll be able to find the translated text. So once you're done translating your text into Japanese, go ahead and hit on that copy button to be able to copy the Japanese text and head back to roblox.com. Now in here, go ahead and click on the pencil icon beside the display name and paste the Japanese version of your username into this area. After that, go ahead and click on the save button to save the changes. So as you can see in here, I won't be able to change my display name since I just changed it. As you can see in the disclaimer, your display name can only be changed once every 7 days. Make sure you use the display name that you want to use since it might take a while for you to change it back.